Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to extend RAM in a Xiaomi Android mobile using the built-in virtual RAM or memory extension feature. This feature helps improve performance by using a part of your internal storage as extra RAM. Very useful if your phone feels slow or lags while multitasking. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Look for Memory Extension and tap on it. Now you can choose how much virtual RAM you want. For example, 1 GB, 2 GB, or 4 GB, depending on your device and available storage. Once you select the RAM size, your phone will ask for a reboot. Restart your device to apply the changes. Now go and check the RAM size. It will display both the original RAM and the newly added virtual RAM together. Remember, virtual RAM is not the same as physical RAM, but it definitely helps with smoother multitasking and better app performance. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful Android tips.